Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 12.2 of ratio and proportion. Question 3. Question 3 have, are these following statements true? It means that here given two ratio are equal. Here given two ratio are equal. If they are equal, this is true. Neither this is not true. For 40% ratio to 100% is equal to 15% rupees 15 ratio rupees 75. First we change in fractions form and we take that they are equal or not. If they are equal, then we can say this is a true. If they are not equal, we can say this is not true. Here you can see 40% ratio to 100% is equal to rupees 15 ratio rupees 75. So first we will take a left hand side, this is right hand side. Okay, if left hand side is equal to right hand side, then we can say the given statement are true. Okay, so first we take 40%, we write 40% ratio to 100%. So we can write it as 40 by 200. Okay, student, I told you if A ratio B, you can write it A by B. Okay, so here you write this 40 by 200. Okay, so 0 cancel here and we obtain 4 by 20. Also you can simplify it, we obtain 1 by 5. Okay, so it means that this is equal to 1 ratio 5. Clear? Now right hand side is rupees 15 ratio rupees 75. Clear? And we can write it 15 by 75. So students, simplify it, and 15 1 is 15 and 15 5 is 75. So this ratio is equal to 1 ratio 5. From this discussion, what you think about this? Tell me. Here you can see the 40% ratio to 100% is equal to rupees 15 ratio rupees 75. Okay, so if the ratio are equal, then it's from proportions, hence the given statement is true. Here you can see from above discussion that since 40% ratio to 100% is equal to rupees 15 ratio 75. Okay, hence statement is true. We write here hence is true. Okay, hence statement is true. Student, I hope all have understood. Let once more this question. Here you can see this is A part, 40% ratio to 100%. This is equal to rupees 15 ratio 75. You want to verify this is true or false. Okay, so for this first we'll take left hand side. This is a 40% ratio to 100%, and we simplify it and convert in the fraction forms 40 by 200. So we see here the simplification form of this is 1 by 5. It means that 40% ratio to 100% is equal to 1 ratio 5. Okay, now we take left hand side, rupees 15 ratio rupees 75 here. Okay, so this is a rupees 15 ratio rupees 75. So first we convert in fraction form, 15 by 75. So you know 15 1 is 15, 15 5 is 75. So we obtain 1 by 5. We can write 1 by 5 in 1 ratio 5. So you can see both sides are equal. The ratio of 40% ratio 20% is 1 ratio 5, and the ratio of rupees 15 to rupees 75 is also 1 ratio 5. So in this way we can see they are equal. So this is the given statement is true. Okay, this is your whole solution. Now we are going to solve next part of question number 3, that is B part. Let's see how to verify it. This is given 7.5 liters and ratio 15 liters, and 5 kg is equal to 5 kg ratio 10 kg. You can see this is given question part B. 7.5 liters ratio 15 liters is equal to 5 kg ratio 10 kg. This is true or not? We verify it. If the given ratio are equal, then we can say this is true. If this is not equal, you can say this is not true. So let's see how to verify it. So here we write 75 liter ratio 15 liters. Okay, also we first write left hand side in given question. You can see this is question and this is right hand side, this is left hand side. Okay, so first write left hand side here, and you can write it. Okay, you can write here this is equal to 5 kg. This is right hand side and ratio 10 kg. Okay, we solve one by one and find their simplest ratio. Okay, so here first we take 7 by 5 liter ratio 15 liter. You can write it 7.5 by 15. Okay, so first we multiply numerator and denominator by 10, and 15 into 10. We obtained 75 by 150. Okay, so this is equal to 75 to the 115, 75 on the 75, 75 to the 115. Okay, so this is equal to 1 ratio 2. Clear? Now right hand side is what is the right hand side? 5 kg ratio 10 kg is equal to 5 by 10. This is equal to, you can write it 1 by 2. Clear? So what is the required ratio? 1 by 2. 1 ratio 2. So here you can say 7.5 liter ratio 15 liter is also equal to 1 by 2 here, and the 5 kg ratio 10 kg also is equal to 1 ratio 2. It means that the given ratio are equal, and so they are form proportional. It means that this is true. So this is a true statement. So you can write here, and since 7.5 liter ratio 15 liter is equal to 5 kg ratio 10 kg are equal. If the two ratio are equal, then it is form proportional. Okay, but here we have verified that both ratio are equal, so hence the statement is true. Let's see again the solution of part B. This is given that 7.5 liters ratio 15 liters is equal to 5 kg ratio 10 kg. So first we take left hand side, 7.5 liters ratio 15 liters. Student, here we liters denoted L. Okay, so first we convert this ratio is fraction form in fraction. Student, ratio have no unit. Okay, so 7.5 by 15, then we multiply numerator and denominator by 10, we obtain 75 by 150. So 75 to the 150. In this way we obtain 1 by 2 or 1 ratio 2. And in right hand side 5 kg ratio 10 kg. So you can write it 5 by 10 are equal to 1 by 2. This is 1 ratio 2 also. So from your discussion you can see that the both sides are equal to 1 ratio 2. So we can say the given statement is true. Okay, now we are going to solve C part of this question number 3. Let's see. C part is given 99 kg ratio 45 kg is equal to rupees 44 and rupees 20. Okay, then first we need to verify it that the given ratio are equal or not. If this is equal, then you can say this is true. If this is not equal, you can say this is not true. Let's see how to verify it. And this is C part. 99 kg ratio 45 kg is equal to rupees 44 ratio rupees 20. Okay, so first to write left hand side 99 kg ratio 45 kg is equal to, you can write 99 by 45. Simplify it, we obtained 9 11 ja 99 and 9 5 ja 45. Okay, you can write it here 9 into 11 99 and 9 into 5. Okay, so 9 will be cancelled, we obtain 11 by 5. Okay, so change in ratio we obtain 11 ratio 5. Clear? Now right hand side of this statement, 44 ratio 20. Clear? 44 ratio 20, so you can write it 44 by 20. Clear? Also you can write it 4 into 11, 11 4 ja 44, and 4 5 ja 20. So you can see 4 4 comma, so it is penciled. We obtained 11 by 5. Clear? So you can write it 11 ratio 5. Okay. So here you can see that the both side ratio are 11 ratio 5. So this is true. Okay. So you can write here, since 99 kg ratio 45 kg is equal to rupees 44 ratio rupees 20. Okay, rupees 20. Then you can say hence statement is true. A given statement is true. Is true. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood. Let's see again. 99 kg 45 ratio 45 kg, we simplify it and we obtain 11 ratio 5, and 44 rupees ratio 20 rupees, we simplify it and we obtain 11 ratio 5. So from our discussion you can see the given ratio are equal, so this is the given statement is true. Now we are going to solve next part of question number 3 of this exercise. This is D part. This is given 32 meter ratio 64 meter. This is equal to 6 second ratio 12 second. Okay, here we verify this, that this statement is true or false. Okay, so let's see. This is left hand side, this is right hand side. This is called, this means like this is called proportion. If A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, it means that they form proportion. Okay, so here we take left hand side, 32 meter ratio 64 meter. Also you can write 32 by 64. Okay, so student, what is the simplest form of 32 by 64? So you know that 32 2 ja 64 means 1, 32 2 ja 32, 2 1 ja 32, and 32 2 ja 64. So you can write it 1:2. Now the right hand side, this is given 6 second 6 second ratio 12 second is equal to, you can write it 6/12. Simplified, this is equal to 6 1 is 6 and 6 2 is 12. Clear? So you can write here 1:2. So student, you can see here that both ratio are equal. Okay, so since (32 meter ratio 64 meter is equal to 6 second ratio 12 second. Okay, so student, you can see yes, 32 meter ratio 64 meter is also 1:2, and the 6 second ratio 12 second is also 1:2. So they are equal. You can see here, it means that 32 ratio 64 is equal to 6 ratio 12 second. So at last we can say, hence the given statement is true. Meant is true. So you can see here 32 meter ratio 64 meter is equal to 1:2, and the 6 second ratio 12 second is also is equal to 1:2. So we can say that the given statement is true. Now we are going to solve E part of this question. This is a last part of question number 3. So student, I hope all of you understood. There is no any problem. This is very easy question and you can solve easy way. Let's see D part. This is given. D part is, E part is question number 3, 45 kilometer ratio 60 kilometer is equal to 12 hours ratio 15 hours. So first we write 45 kilometer ratio 60 kilometer is equal to 45 by 60. Then we obtain 3/4. Okay, and the next 12 hours ratio 15 hours. So you can write it 12 by 15. In this way we obtain 12 by 15 is equal to, if you cancel both by 3, we obtain 3/5. Okay, so in this way you can see here both ratio are not equal. Okay, so this is not proportion. For 45 by 60 is 3/4, and 12 by 15 is 4/5. So both ratio are not equal. So this is not proportional and the given statement is not true. Okay, so let's see how to solve it. This is E part, solution of E part. 45 kilometer ratio 60 kilometer, this is equal to 12 hour ratio 15 hour. Okay, so this is left hand side, now this is the right hand side. Okay, So first we take left hand side 45 kg, 45 kilometer ratio 60 kilometer, sorry 60 kilometer. This is equal to 45 by 60. You can write it 15 3 ja 45 and 15 4 ja 60. So here 15 cancel, okay, and this is equal to 3 by 4. So if you change it in ratio, you obtain 3 ratio 4. Clear? Okay. 45 kilometer ratio 60 kilometer. So you can write it 45 by 60. Okay. And the 45 you can write it 15 into 3. 15 3 is 45, and the 60 you can write it 15 into 4. 15 4 is 60. So 15 common here. So it will be cancelled. We obtain here 3 by 4. And you convert it into ratio, you obtain 3 ratio 4. Now right hand side is 12 hours ratio 15 hours. 12 hours into 15 hours, and this is equal to 12 by 15. You can write it 3 into 4 is 12, and 3 into 5. So here you can see 3 cancelled. Okay, we obtain here 4 by 5. So this is equal to 4 ratio 5. So from above discussion, what do you think about that? This is true or false? Tell me your answer in comment. Okay, so you can, if you compare here 45 kilometer ratio 60 kilometer, the simplest form of these are 3 ratio 4, but here right hand side 12 hours ratio 15 hours is equal to 12 by 15. So we can write 3 into 4 is 12, and 3 into 5 is 15. So 3 will be cancelled. We obtain 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means 4 ratio 5. So you can see their ratio are not equal. Left hand side is 3 ratio 4, but right hand side is 4 ratio 5. They are not equal. If they are not equal, it means that they are not from proportion. It means that this is not true. Okay, I hope all have understood it. This is not true. Hence, since you can see from above 45 kilometer ratio 60 kilometer does not equal to 12 hours ratio 15 hours this is not equal, so we can write here hence statement is not true. Is not true. Okay, Student, I hope all of you understood. Let's see again whole solution. This is given part A of question number 3. 45 kilometer ratio 60 kilometer and a 12 hours ratio 13 hours. So we convert both sides in ratio. In left hand side we obtain 3:4, but in right hand side when you convert in a simplification ratio, it means that for least ratio you obtain here 4/5. So we observe here that left hand side ratio is not equal to right hand side. It means that they are not form proportion. Okay, so we can say that this is, and the given statement is not true. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.